Is your iPhone feeling hotter than a baked potato during those intense Free Fire sessions? No worries, I've got your back. Today I'll walk you through some simple steps to cool down your device and get back to gaming without risking a hand roast. Let's jump right in and tackle this together. Solution 1. Adjust in-game graphics. First things first, open up Free Fire on your iPhone. After that, head over to Settings and switch to the Display tab. From here, adjust the graphics quality to either smooth or standard. Next up, choose Normal for the high FPS option. Lastly, make sure to turn off Minimap Autoscaling. These tweaks will help keep your iPhone cooler while you are in the heat of gaming action. Solution 2. Offload Free Fire. Start by opening up your settings. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you spot Free Fire, then tap on it. Then, hit the Offload App button followed by Offload App. Once it's offloaded, simply tap on Reinstall App and it will start reinstalling. Once done, the heating issue should be a thing of the past. But if your iPhone is still running hot, give these simple fixes a try. Switch to Wi-Fi instead of using your phone's data. Data usage during gaming can crank up the heat. Opt to play indoors rather than under the blazing sun. Avoid playing while charging your iPhone to prevent overheating and battery damage. Before diving into the game, make sure to close any other apps running in the background. And voila! By following these steps, you'll help keep your iPhone cool as a cucumber while you conquer Free Fire. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks so much!